I'm back with another video. I'm going to show how you can flash your Infinix Note 60 Pro device. Here I already wrote a simple simple descriptions which you need to follow up if you are planning to flash your Infinix Note 60 Pro. First of all, you need to download all required tools and drivers. So I just recommend you and I always recommend my audience, my people, so whoever using, whoever understanding, whoever watching my video. So be careful and you must do the backup before doing anything and your PC must be ready. So download and install on your Windows PC. So you need to let's. I would like to move you from my current description or guidance to the AI to understand more better and easy. Currently, everyone is working is using the AI. So this is the chat already. Let's discuss. I would like to flash my Infinix Note 60 Pro device. What what ways device could you please let me away? Make sure it should be sure to save my time. Okay, let's see. Shortest safe mode. You need SP Flash tool. So SP Flash tool first we move to search it on here and this is a tool website. You can download it from here and it's fully safe. You can use this is a tool. Okay, and you can watch this video also if you are facing any error or problems while doing it. Okay, let's move to the another tool that is MTK USB driver. MTK USB driver you can download from here and then it will after downloading and to click on the exe file it will show this type of pop-up and you can click on the next. This device is named MTK and USB driver. Okay, its size is 9 MB and version 5.3 currently. So stock ROM Note 60 Pro. Okay, you can download this from here and it for your device. And it's recently listed, recently March 2026. Okay, you can also read the issues if there is any community or any, and I would recommend if you are facing any problem and issues while doing, you can comment here on the video. I would like to suggest you best and my more best ways to do. Steps, what steps you need to follow, install drivers and open SP Flash tool and then load scatter file from firmware. Okay, then click and connect your phone powered off. Make sure your phone must be powered off and then wait. After that, it work itself. Faster working method for Infinix MTK devices. Okay, let's discuss something new. If you know any programming language that you can ask also, is there any way to do with Python programming? Short answer no, because for Infinix MTK flashing is done via SP Flash tool official way. Python can't directly flash the device. Use only you could only use Python to automate downloads, launch SP Flash tool, but actual flashing is equals to SP Flash tool only. So I hope you understand this way also. And my current descriptions, I don't want to waste your time also. And ADB software, yes, ADB. Is there a way to do with ADB? Short answer, mostly no. ADB cannot flash full firmware on Infinix. So if you another device you want to flash, because you can first yourself install APK, what it cannot do, what ADB can do and what it cannot. Reboot to recovery, install APK push full while flash, and what it cannot do, flash full stock from ROM, not scatter file firmware. Only possible via ADB if you have custom recovery, TWRP. TWRP, yes, it's connected. Okay, here, and you can find out your version. Okay, go in one of them. Then it show like this. Okay, Android version and Android 11. So I don't think or fast boot. Proper flashing is equals to FC flash tool only. ADB is just a helper, not a flashing solution. So this is a fully guide, and here I do the Python program here. With help of you can ask any questions. I will like to answer when you land on my community. So that's all for now, and we hope you understand.